So I've got a base coat on, and I'm going to start out by doing a layer of black polish. Polypin and... Wow, this is going on a lot more opaquely than it used to. It used to be I had to use 2 coats of it to get it to cover the nail. Now I only need 1. Probably because it's old. And just keep polishing. And the thumb. Go. Now use the shimmery top coat. This is gonna look like the stars in the background. And this stuff is weird because it always smells like super glue. And every nail. And this is all I'm gonna do to the thumbnail. Shiny. Now I'm going to take white polish, and using a piece of makeup sponge and tweezers, I'm going to sponge in what is the cloud that's usually around a comet. And that's going to be in the upper right corner of the nail bed, and then go down from that to make a tail. And now I'm going to use some silver polish and another piece of makeup sponge, and just add some more highlights in the tail and the cloud thingy that I can't think of the name of. And do the same thing with some... Oh, evidently I did it on all the nails. Now I'm going to do the same thing with gold. Now I'm using some quick dry top coat to stick on a rhinestone. If you want, you can also use nail glue and use a wax pencil that you can get cheaply on Amazon to put them on. And now just do the rest of the nails. I just like to use the top coat to do this. The rhinestone just goes in the little cloud. This is the center of the comet. And afterwards I realized I should have used the smaller ones like I did on the pinky. There they are. Thanks for watching.